Hello, I'm Dave Donatelli, CEO of Riverbed Technology. Today, I'd like to share with you how Riverbed is helping IT organizations to overcome some of the most pressing problems they face when it comes to enterprise observability. I'll also highlight many innovations Riverbed is announcing, which are all designed to help you maximize your investments and unlock even more value from the Riverbed platform. So let's get started. Our customers are asking for help across three major issues in IT. First, they want to consolidate their tools. Their tools have led to a lot of sprawl and made it very difficult to manage their environment and to meet their objectives. Second of all, our customers want AI that works with ROI. AI continues to be a board and CEO level issue, and people want help making sure that they implement it and again get good value for their money. And finally, our customers want help with their enterprise data models. They're looking to get all the data they can centralized to other places in their enterprise, and Riverbed helps them with that as well. So let's take a look at today's IT infrastructure. It's certainly grown a lot over the last decade. We've moved from the data centers to the edge, to work from home, to work from anywhere, to the cloud. And this creates all host of challenges with tool sprawl, the ability to have blind spots where you can't see everything in your environment, and it makes it more difficult to provide the services and uptime that you desire. In fact, one of the challenges is point products in this environment. If you look at Riverbed specifically, we have some competitors, let's say on the network side of the house. Well, they make point products that only look at the network side. We have other competitors at the endpoints, be it laptops or PCs. And again, they have products just around those domains. What separates Riverbed is that we have the widest coverage in the enterprise. And for many years, we've been able to collect data at scale and in real time. And what that's enabled us to do is to build the Riverbed platform from that data to further differentiate us and to further help you solve the challenges that we just talked about at the beginning of the presentation. So how do we do it? First, we architected the Riverbed Data Store. The Riverbed Data Store is our patented product that pulls cross-domain data from all the Riverbed collectors that we mentioned before. Second, we understand that your environment more than likely won't be entirely Riverbed, as much as we'd like that. So with that, with the Riverbed platform, we've from day one supported your third-party data. In fact, we have dozens of connections already to the major applications out there. That data can be utilized by the Riverbed Data Store. Third, once we do that, we've also developed the Riverbed IQ platform. The IQ product is now in its third generation, and it applies our AI algorithms to the data that's contained in the Riverbed Data Store. And then finally, as I mentioned, we know that many enterprises want to leverage data across their enterprise for their own AI projects or maybe their security projects. And that's where Riverbed Smart Hotel comes into play. We're able to take the data out of the Riverbed Data Store and place it anywhere you like in your environment. Today, we are proud to announce many new things for our Riverbed platform. We announced new technologies, new products, and new capabilities. From a technology point of view, we announced Generative AI support, Agentic AI support, Predictive AI support, more modules for our unified agent, and support for open telemetry. From a new product perspective, we offered new modules for Intel Thunderbolt and Wi-Fi, for unified communications, for network packets, and for cloud microservices. Around new capabilities, Riverbed IQ Assist, IQ Ops for Predictive AI, Smart Hotel, multi-session VDI, and application integrations. Last year at this time, we announced our first three modules for the unified agent. Two were for our Eternity product for end-user experience, and the third was NPM Plus, which was an industry first, the ability to manage NPM products from the desktop. And it enabled you to overcome blind spots that traditional NPM products had with both zero trust networks and with the cloud. Today, we're happy that we're announcing three additional modules for our unified agent. NPM Plus for universal communications, NPM Plus packet module, and Eternity for Intel module. We've taken a comprehensive approach to looking at unified communications. While most people in the marketplace really are in pure reactive mode, they wait for a problem to happen, they try and solve it. What we do at Riverbed is not only can we do things obviously reactive, But we also offer you real-time support and preventative support. Real-time support comes from the Riverbed NPM Plus Unified Communications module that we're announcing today. And preventive support comes from Riverbed IQ Ops. We introduced NPM Plus last year. It was a technology unique to Riverbed and the only solution available for zero-trust environments. What we've been working on is to add all the features that you get with a high-end traditional-based NPM hardware solution into the NPM Plus module. And that's what we're doing today by announcing packet capture as part of the module. That's something that all our customers want and have asked for. It gives them more detail on what's happening on the network and brings functionality that before was only available in dedicated hardware appliances to SaaS form on your endpoint with NPM Plus. Packets available even for connections that never cross the organization's network. It's fully connected to Riverbed IQ Ops for use with AI-driven automations and remediations. Now, Intel is a long-standing customer of Riverbed. And in December, we took our collaboration to the next level. We are very proud of our relationship that we have built with Intel over the years. Thunderbolt is an Intel protocol for connecting peripherals to PCs. And before this partnership, Intel had not released the diagnostics of these products. So it was difficult for people to integrate those and understand and prevent problems. That's exactly what we fixed with our Intel module. Riverbed is the first and currently the only partner working with Intel to provide observability into both Intel Thunderbolt and Wi-Fi technology. Only Riverbed can provide observability to the Intel device ecosystem. In addition, today, we announced new AI capabilities built upon the Riverbed Data Store and Riverbed IQ. The first announcement today is for Generative AI. And our Generative AI product is called Riverbed IQ Assist. It helps you automate the root cause and analysis and suggests corrective actions to issues that are happening in your enterprise. It intelligently serves up the pertinent data with minimum prompting from you. And it augments your IT staff to help you prevent, identify, and resolve issues much faster. And we have a whole extensive library of IQ Assist nodes for you to customize with. Let me just give you a simple example here. Let's say you're down having lunch somewhere and you get an alert on your phone. As you can see, you have 2 green rings and a red ring. The red ring is generated by IQ Assist, and it says that you have a problem at an endpoint. It suggests to you what the problem is and also suggests automations you can run to resolve the problem. You can do all this right from your phone. And when you run that automation, as you can see, the red light has turned to green, because now you fix the problem remotely from your phone and you can go back to enjoying your lunch. We're also announced today Predictive AI. Predictive AI allows you to proactively prevent incidents before they impact your users. We identify patterns that precede problems, like a resource strain, latency, or degradations. And once we identify those, we proactively manage your ecosystem to fix those. It obviously enhances your reliability, it optimizes your resources, reduces your cost, and drives higher end user satisfaction. Because we all know the best problem is the one that never occurs at all. What I'm very excited about is the Agentic AI we launched today. Agentic AI is where you have true agents talking to each other to resolve problems. Now, one of the concerns that customers have with that is, okay, if I have AI agents just talking to each other, how do I remain in control? But the way Riverbed architected this is you and your staff remain in full control. Our agentic technology is enabled by the Riverbed Data Store. It's built on a growing collection of task-specific agents and allows you to drag and drop agents together to design any automation you like. We even give you the ability to combine our agentic nodes with standard nodes. And the orchestration is performed by Riverbed IQ Ops. So you get the precision of the fix, the advantage of agents doing it, but you get the control of what you want them to do in your environment. The best of both worlds. All these new products and capabilities and several others are available now, further extending the value of the Riverbed platform. As I shared earlier, Riverbed's strategic platform architecture enables tool consolidation, delivers AI that works with an ROI, and supports enterprise data models with smart OTel. To learn more about these announcements, go to riverbed.com to watch the full launch webcast and to find additional materials, or contact your Riverbed sales representative who can share more details and schedule a demo. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your enterprise priorities.